Launching one new batch from this Monday at 6 p.m. So in case you want to join the batch or in case you want to attend the demo lecture, please call the numbers given in the description box. Or you can attend the demo lecture today by just calling the numbers given here. So we are connecting a demo lecture and also launching a new program. So in case you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. All right, hi guys. So we got exactly 160 days for the CAT exam. So I'm assuming 150 days. Fine, so that the tension can grow more. This is the phase I love. Yeah, let it come under 100. That is the time I love the most. The inner me, the sadist me become more active because then फटनी चालू होती है. अभी तो फटा नहीं है. Trust me guys, you're not feeling the heat right now. Anybody who is able to sleep without any problem, this means something is wrong in you. Trust me, something is wrong in you. So this is the Google says days left. Assuming CAT is on 28th of November, we have got exactly 160 days for the CAT exam. And today we'll talk about the strategy for these 168 days. I want to do today reverse strategy. Like look at the cutoff and then backtrack how much you need to put in the efforts. Okay. So the cutoff will change as per the category. Okay. As per the category wise, it will change. Aditya, yes, I want you to feel that heat. Unless we are Indian student, we cannot study unless there's a bamboo going in. Then only we'll study. Okay. So there are four people: engineers, non-engineers, OBC, EWS, SC, ST, PWD. So there are four type of students who are giving the CAT exam. Four major brackets. Okay. Starting from the engineers, general engineer category, 99 percentile you need for the main IIMs. Plus minus few depend upon your academic report, depend upon your gender also, everything. Fine. Jitesh, CAT kab hoga? We don't know. If everything goes normal, I'm assuming November 28th is the CAT date. Now COVID-3 will happen, this happen, that happen, I don't care. Disha superb. 99 percentile for main IIMs. For new IIMs, 97 percentile. For baby IIMs, 95 percentile. These are the three targets you have to think of. Okay. 99, 97, 95. For non-engineers, 97 plus पे कॉल आना शुरू हो जाता है. Main IIMs, open category. These are both for open. 95 for new IIMs and 90 for the baby IIMs. Okay. For OBC, EWS, now engineer, non-engineer, all of them will come here. What is the difference between the baby IIM and new IIMs? I'll make a dedicated video for that. बाद में main IIM के साथ FMS यहाँ पे आ गया. FMS is covered here. Okay. Now for OBC, EWS, engineer, non-engineer, boy, girl, they're all counted as OBC. 95 percentile for the main IIMs, 90, 85 for the new IIMs and 80 for the baby IIMs. I have OBCs who have got at 78, 75 as well. But that for them, you need to score. Your academic record have to be very, very good. So these are the number when definitely most probably call aa jayega. If your academic record is decent. Decent means 60 plus. Okay. And last, SC, ST, PWD, open category student. Main IIM ka call at 85 percentile. New IIM ka call at 75 percentile and baby IIM ka call at 70 percentile. I have a girl student with me last year who got 78 percentile but got IIM Ahmedabad ki call and converted as well. SC category. Now there are always outliers. There will be pakka student who have scored even 99 percentile and got 0 IIM calls. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो वो all depend upon your 10, 12, all these things. फाइन. शर्मा का बताओ, ये सब बताओ. अभी शर्मा जी आप किस कैटेगरी में हो, आप पहले वो देख लो अपना. इंजीनियर्स, नॉन इंजीनियर, ओबीसी, एससी, एसटी, दीज आर द 4 कैटेगरीज. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. एनटी वाला विल कम इन ओबीसी आई थिंक. ओके. नाउ टू रीच दिस लेवल, दिस साइड इज योर मार्क्स. Fine. Now we look at this side. So open category student, your target is 99 percentile. For that, you need 106 marks. 106 marks divided by 3, approximately 35. Question correct. Fine. So wherever you study, you write 106. Engineer open. Sorry, this is all open. These two are open. Okay. New IIMs, 92 marks, 95 percentile, 80 percentile. I want you to target this. Fine, this is out of the 2 hours ka paper. How many questions are there in the exam? Cover is not important. How many questions you can solve, that is more important. So time kitna mil raha hai, that is more important. So please set up your target. This is a target by November. Step number 1, what is your target? You want to target 133, you want to target 100 percentile, you want to target 99.9, you want to target 90.5, 99. I want you to decide how much you can expand. चादर उतनी फैलाओ जितनी क्या होती है, क्या था यार, चादर उतनी फैलाओ जितनी जगह हो. नहीं तो आई नॉर्मली से यार जितनी लेग्स हो. हाँ जितनी लेग्स हो. थैंक यू दिशा फॉर दैट. जितने पैर हो. यस. So you decide your target. Fine, your target is 99, your target 99. I want in terms of marks. I don't look at the percentile. Percentile is a very scary word here. I don't look at the percentile. I always look at the marks. Fine. That's your target in November. Second target is by September 30th. Yeah, August end. And third target is for now. So for that, I can show you one page. So that will immediately help us understand the targets. Okay, so this sheets immediately will make you understand the targets. So I have to complete the Orange Books basics, everything by August 20th. That's your deadline, first deadline. Yeah, for CAT 22, same thing agle saal. Just imagine the same scenario for next year. The cutoff will not change. Okay, so you have to complete your basics. You have to complete everything by August 20th. August 20th is my date of birth. In case you hate me the most, then Independence Day is your target. And target score is 30 to 50 marks. I don't want to target too much. My target is very simple, 30 to 50 marks. Okay. Second target is by Dussehra. Advanced book, all the pro level books will complete by Dussehra. Target 90 to 95, 50 to 75 marks. And then we'll give as many mocks, as many tests as possible, and target 99 percentile. Shraddha, thank you very much. Target 75 to 100. So 3 target, 30 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100. So I want that thing from you. You have to decide your targets. I can't give you the target because I don't know how much you need to target. I don't know how much you want to get. Okay. So 3 cutoffs are there in front of you. And I want you to set 3 targets. हाँ, जो क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आता छोड़ दो यार. Anyway, you can't solve the complete paper. Please imagine that way. 99 percentile is 105, 35 marks. 35 question correct. Fine, which is almost 40% of the paper. You have to solve only 40% of the paper to get the clear the cutoff. Jalan engineer सारे इधर आएगा. Male, female, all engineers are here. Male, female, open category वाले. Non-engineer, male, female is here. OBC, EWS, boy, girl, engineer, non-engineer, all of them here. Okay. So you have to target is 106 marks. मुझे 100 marks दिख रहा है, which is approximately 50%, 45 to 50% लेके चलो. Half paper solve करना है आपको बस. Yes, see the solution. I don't mind if you look at the solution. I don't care. Fine. अरे डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंजीनियर नॉन ये द बिग स्टोरी. नीलेश मत जाओ उस तरफ, दंगे हो जाएंगे दंगे. ठीक है, उस तरफ ना जाओ. Fine. So for example, I am an open category. My target is 99.5. Okay. My target is the main. I am a ABC. Then need to score 120 plus. So my target is 120 plus. Then second target I want to give 90, and third target I want to give myself 50. So 3 target for me is 120, 90, 50. For every 2 months I'm going to target one thing. Okay. Abhishek, please don't copy paste. इंजीनियर से क्या करे भैया, इंजीनियर से खुंदस हो गए ना. इंजीनियर बहुत ज्यादा आगे जलते हैं साले. इंजीनियर से सब जलते हैं सारे. क्या डायलॉग क्या था उसका, जलते हैं सारे, जलता है मजनू. ACADS is not important. If you are touching this number, don't need to worry about your ACADS. Don't worry about your ACADS. Fine. So this is your target setting. तो प्लीज सेट योर टारगेट. आई वांटेड टू पोस्ट योर टारगेट. कैन यू प्लीज. अरे ओबीसी का टारगेट अभी तो बताया. मरवाओगे तुम यार. मेन आईएम्स, new IIMs and baby IIM. See, if you can't read this table, boss, I'm going to judge you. Trust me, I'm seriously going to judge you if you can't read the table. 3 टारगेट चाहिए मेरे को. 3 टारगेट. टारगेट बाय अगस्त, टारगेट बाय सितंबर अक्टूबर मई 15 एंड टारगेट बाय नवंबर कैट एग्जाम. सच्ची बेटा, अगर ये भी ये टेबल में किसी को डाउट तो पूछ लो यार. ये टेबल नहीं तुम पढ़ पाएगा आगे जाके तो क्या करेगा. अफजल सुपर्ब. 30, 38, 44 सुपर्ब. और ऊपर लेके जाओ, थोड़ा सा और ऊपर ले जाओ, इतना नीचे ना लेके जाओ. श्रीकांत एग्जैक्टली. दिस इज 74 मार्क का पेपर, 100 मार्क का पेपर. मुझे नहीं पता भाई कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे. आई एम एज्यूमिंग 2 आवर्स का पेपर एज ऑफ नाउ. आई एम एज्यूमिंग 2 आवर्स का पेपर एज ऑफ नाउ. आईआईटी बॉम्बे की कट ऑफ इज ऑल 99 परसेंटाइल प्लस. ऑल 99. आईआईटी बॉम्बे, एसपी जैन, ओपन कैटेगरी इज ऑल हियर. न्यू आई मेन आईएम के बराबर. एफएमएस, all of them are at par with the main IIMs. Pranay, don't look at that. Look at the SC category. इंजीनियर सब निकाल दो. आपका ये टारगेट है 3. ओके, superb. So that will be setting up your targets. And then we look at in the next video, next workshop, how to achieve that target. Okay. Superb. प्रिया, यस क्या करें यार.